Good morning. Hey, just woke up, got up to Springer Mountain last night. And we just went right off of the Springer Mountain shelter area, camped for the night, and that's really about it. Gonna make my way to Cooper's Gap today, take my time. So yesterday was like 7 miles, today I'll be doing about 12 miles. So just stay tuned. If I see anything cool, I'll let you know. You guys stay easy, and I'm gonna keep on walking. Good morning. Well, I didn't get to do a closeout video last night, but got down there to the Gap, Cooper Gap. Rested a little bit, and it's pretty good. Wind died down. Heading up here to Woody Gap. Just chilling, got some trail magic from Nacho Jim. So it was pretty cool. Ate 2 hot dogs, had a beer, it was nice, and some coffee. So that was pretty neat. It's a real relaxed day. I think I'm only doing 8 miles a day. So maybe I'll end up doing like a closeout video once I hit Neil's Gap, and then we'll start up with something else then. So anywho, I'll keep walking. You guys stay easy, and if I see something, I'll let y'all see it. Hey, good morning. I just woke up, started out at Woody Gap. Stayed up there on the little cliff face up there. It was pretty nice. I just passed Lance Creek, about to head to Blood Mountain and get to Neil's Gap, and that's going to be it for about the day. And again, if I see anything good and whatnot, I will let you know and stuff. So we'll get to walking. You guys stay easy. I'm walking. Says I'm not too far from Blood Mountain now, so yeah. Other terrain was pretty tough, so I figured I'd film now. Pretty relaxed day. There we go. Hey, how's it going? Hey, just sitting here. We got in yesterday, Neil's Gap. It's pretty nice day. We were trying to beat the rain, so we all got out pretty early. We got here at this beautiful cabin. It was donated to Warrior Expeditions. So we've been chilling here for like, we're gonna be here for like 2 days, taking a zero today to relax. And that's really it. I don't got too many pictures from yesterday, so I put that up there. I'm gonna try to get a little bit more on here. Just with the nerves and everything and making sure everything goes good. I didn't do a lot of stuff because I wanted to make sure I made it through the mileage. So altogether 40 miles in and a couple more thousand to go. So we'll make this finally do the closeout video that I've been promising y'all. So that's it. Went and resupplied today. We're gonna head out tomorrow. While we've been here, we had yesterday we had church group come, which was pretty cool. They brought us barbecue and whatnot, so it was pretty neat. And then this morning, Paige, she, I can't remember everybody's name from the other group, but I know Paige this morning came and brought us breakfast from Waffle House, so it was pretty neat. And from here on out, we're on our own, so we won't see these vans no more and try to get a little bit more footage in. Weather looks good for tomorrow, so probably do a beginning video tomorrow, 40 miles down and a couple more thousand to go. All right, y'all stay easy and peace.